What's up, guys? Today I'm making a different kind of video. Today I'm going to be making fishing lures and showing you how to make them. Let's get into it. Alright guys, to start, you guys are going to want to mix your plastisol. So you don't want to shake it because that'll make bubbles, but you just want to twist this around for about a minute. Now our plastisol is all mixed up. Next, what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to put the plastisol into the cup. I'm gonna put about 4 ounces in just for this video. Hold on, I still got leftover plastic. Put about 4 ounces in there. All right. See, that is about 4 ounces, 4 or 6 ounces, about that. All right, next we're going to put the plastisol into the microwave. I have an older microwave and it gets really hot, so I'm gonna put it in for about 1 minute. That's already on there. With the different microwaves, you can put it in for longer. Just mine gets so hot that it will burn the plastisol. Alright guys, now the plastisol is done with the minute. So we're going to take it out. We're going to mix it up. Right now, it is in gel phase. So it's going to be like really like glue-like texture. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in the microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds. I'm going to put that in for about 30 seconds. Then I'll see you guys once that's done. All right, now the plastisol is done, and it looks like it's still, yeah, it is still in gel phase. Shoot, it is still in gel phase. So I'm gonna put this in for another 30 seconds. And you guys want to make sure that you have a fan going or that you're outside somewhere. Like I am under here, got a fan going. I am out here because these smokes, like it's toxic. It'll get you really sick if you breathe this in. All right, now it is done. It is good to go now. And now I'm going to be putting in our colorant, which is this green pumpkin. Come on, gotta shake it up. All right, hold on, let me set this down so that, all right, hopefully you guys can see me. I'm gonna put in about 5 drops. Okay, the green pumpkin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys will see that. That's always really cool to see how that mixes up. That's looking really good. Let's see how this looks. I'm gonna put a little bit more coloring in. There we go. And that should be good. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Next, what we're gonna do is we're going to be putting in glitter. They filled these to the brim. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it over it. I'm just gonna open it. Just like so. Shake that cap in. Shoot. Well, a ton fell in. Put that back. Then mix this up for you guys. Shoot, it's hard to do this with one hand. That looks amazing. I'm going to put this back in the microwave for about another 30 seconds, just to heat it back up. See you guys after. Alright guys, the lures, or the plastisol is done. I have already I made them already, but then I realized that my camera wasn't on. So yeah, I have to retry that. Shoot. Alright, I gotta put this back in for about 10 more seconds. Here we go. Alright, now the plastisol is done. It looks good. Looks all pumpkin-y. Looks like, shoot, I got plastisol on me. Luckily, it's just on my shirt. I ain't touching that. Okay. Let's set this down and inject. I got my injector right here. I put this rag on it, and I put my hand on it because if you don't, like for me, it burned my hand. So I'm gonna put the tip of the injector in, suck it up and pull it up. All right, then you're gonna put it in here. You gotta put it in your mold. Push down until you can't. All right, shake that around, pull it up, top it. Make sure that you top it off because it'll suck in. And then if it sucks in and you didn't top it off good, or you didn't top it off, then it's not gonna look good, and there's gonna be pieces missing. So I will show you guys the results now. Alright guys, I waited about 3 minutes, and now my plastisol, or not my lures should be done. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. Alright, hold on. We gotta pull this apart. There we go. So now your lures are done. All right. Shoot, mine, this one did not do good. It has a big dent in it. That one's not that good. This one, all my lures that I make do have a few dents in them. I'm going to get salt for that. Usually it's your mold that's the problem. Sometimes it's the plastisol. But if you get salt, you can, if you put salt in your baits, it will make them heavier, make them fill up the cavities more. But yeah, these are the final product. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.